Good afternoon, class. Today is 6th May 2020. So, we are on the chapter number 3rd, Plains, Deserts and Islands in India. So, yesterday we read about the coastal plains and the coastal plains, eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. Okay? And we read about the deserts also. So, today we will read about the states situated in southern part, means in a coastal areas. Okay, coastal areas means where sea and land meet. Okay, so we learn today about the state, what they grow, what they make and what important things they port. Okay, now in Gujarat, what they grow: millets, cotton and groundnuts. What they make: sal, textile. And what they port, important ports. कौन सा है इनका important ports? As I told you that the port where they can export and import via ships. Okay, Kandla. Now in Maharashtra and Goa, rice. What they grow: rice, coconut and spices. What they make: mainly petroleum, and the important port is Mumbai and Panaji. Now in Karnataka and Kerala, they grow spices, coconut, rubber and coffee. They make spices, core, rubber. And important ports are Mangalore and Kochi. Now in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, they grow rice, coconut, groundnut, tea and sugarcane. They make timber, rubber, sugar, minerals. And important ports are Chennai, Pondicherry and Visakhapatnam. In Orissa and West Bengal, they grow rice and jute. They make handicraft jute products. And important port is Kolkata. Okay, so the next and the last topic is islands. Okay, the islands. Firstly, you should know about what are islands. Okay, where a small land surrounded with water from the all sides. Okay, that is called island. And also you can call corals. Now the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, this is the main island. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. Its capital is at Port Blair, where it's situated in Port Blair. Now these islands are covered with forest and have sparse human population. What is the meaning of sparse? Existing in a small amount. Okay, जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा population नहीं होती है, बहुत कम amount में population होती है. Now the Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. Where is it located? In the Arabian Sea. Now the capital of this group of islands is Kavaratti. इसकी कैपिटल क्या है? लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड्स की कावारट्टी. These islands are also called coral islands. Okay, as I told you, the coral means the small lands covered with water. Okay, now they are made up of a hard substance formed from the skeletons of small sea creatures known as corals. Now fishing is the main occupation in both these islands. Why fishing is the main occupation? Because of lot of water. ठीक है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत सारा पानी होता है, ओशियंस होते हैं, सी होता है, इसलिए वहाँ पे फिशिंग मेन ऑक्यूपेशन होता है, क्योंकि वो उनके लिए बहुत ईजी होता है. नाउ कोकोनट एंड राइस आर द मेन क्रॉप्स ग्रोन हेयर. कोकोनट और राइस क्या है? वहाँ के मेन क्रॉप्स है जो वहाँ पे ग्रो किए जाते हैं. टूरिज्म इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट इंडस्ट्री इन दीज आइलैंड्स. टूरिस्ट मीन्स जो अदर स्टेट से या अदर कंट्रीज से जो लोग यहाँ पे घूमने आते हैं ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ आइलैंड, बिकॉज दे वांट टू सी द डिफरेंट एंड द ब्यूटी ऑफ आइलैंड्स. ओके, सो तो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ टूरिज्म प्लेस. आइलैंड्स टूरिज्म इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट इंडस्ट्री इन दीज आइलैंड्स. मतलब एक इट्स टाइप ऑफ अ इंडस्ट्री. वहाँ पे मेन वर्क होता है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत ही लार्ज नंबर पे टूरिस्ट आते हैं वहाँ पे घूमने के लिए. ओके, सो chapter has done. So this is all for today. So this is my request to all of you. Please read this chapter again properly. Okay, then you should understand the meaning of chapter. Okay, tomorrow we will complete the exercise and question answer. Thank you.